buckets of rock that you expect us to go through. In this heat? And my ears are still ringing from the bombs they set up this morning. I think I have serious damage to my hearing, for sure.
No risk, no reward, right?
Jack, do you remember the other day at the bar? You were telling me this story
No. Too many pisco shots, and I start telling stories, so just forget about it.
It's just that I think I may know of something that can help. Something special that no one else has.
Okay. Later. Save it for the bar.
Drinks on you?
Yes.
I'm there.
All right.
Diego!
Help! Break, damn it! Help me!
Do you realize how much money this will cost us to fix?
Diego's dead, Lupe. He's dead.
It was an accident, Jack. I left overcharge. Your friend can be replaced. You cannot.
I'm done.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And just where do you plan to go? Look how far you have come because of me and my connections. And this is how you repay me?
Oh, Lupe. You taught me well. But knowledge isn't wisdom. And the human life is worth a whole lot more than treasure.
Hey, think about what you are doing, Jack.
Señor, ¿tú sabes dónde?
Sí, conozco, sí. Sí. Ven por acá. Esta dirección es allá. ¿Ya? Sí.
Sí, muy bien. Muchas gracias.
Chao.
Chao. Señora.
¿Sí?
Señora Almagro.
¿Sí? ¿Qué quiere?
Me llamo Jack. Su hijo era un buen amigo mío.
Jack Wilder.
Sí. Sus cosas.
Diego. Es usted muy amable de hacer todo este camino hasta acá.
Me leí tus cartas. Tocaban el corazón.
Come with me. Un momentito. Tengo algo para ti.
Hola.
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 Es para ti. En sus cartas, Diego me decía que eso sería de mucha importancia para ti. Tómelo. Es tuyo ahora que él se ha ido.
No puedo aceptarlo. Es demasiado.
Sí, sí, es para ti.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
My name is Vicente de Valverde. It is only as I contemplate the fate of my own life that I find the courage to write these words. November 1532, a shimmering mirage appeared before us. 40,000 Inca dressed in gold. Under Pizarro's command, we now had a new mission for Spain. Our search was often connected by the three creatures worshipped by the Inca, and they will dominate the world with their great city of gold. The city we call El Dorado. The path was also cursed with countless unexpected traps, taking the lives of many. A precious artifact was discovered, an amulet. It was bestowed upon me for safekeeping. I have hidden the amulet in my sanctuary.
Unique design, Quechuan Empire, 15th century perhaps?
Maybe.
It could bring a nice price. This is big.
It's not for sale.
What? Are you crazy? We're talking high six figures here.
Carlos, I don't need your business savvy right now. I need your knowledge, okay?
You sure do.
What do you know about Vicente de Valverde?
The friar who helped convert the Inca to Christianity.
Huh?
He was the first bishop of Cusco. Captured by Indians in 1540, held responsible for his link to Pizarro. The Indians poured molten gold down his throat, asking him when he had had enough. Nasty.
Where was the sanctuary?
What are you up to, huh? Why so much interest in this man? Huh? Oh, no, come on, Jack. El Dorado is a bedtime story. It's a myth. I'm begging you, you're a talented guy. You can't keep wasting your time and your energy.
Oriano, Bingham, Savoy. They all devoted their lives to trying to find the lost city of gold, which is hidden somewhere in this country by the Inca. Now, does that mean that they wasted their lives?
They found only rocks, not gold.
Exactly. And that's because it's still out there. And I'm gonna find it.
Jack.
I have Valverde's diary. Yeah. And in it, he describes all the clues that Pizarro had put together. The dead ends, the traps. I mean, this amulet is the next step, and it's hidden in Valverde's sanctuary, wherever the hell that is.
Sanctuary, that's under the cathedral in Cusco.
How do you know?
The Dominicans built on top of the old Franciscan sanctuary, Valverde's sanctuary.
Are you positive?
You wanted my knowledge? There it is. I'm certain. Jack, the diary alone is worth a large amount of money. Let me make a call. I can sell it in a day.
The diary's off the table. It's a personal gift, and I'm not selling it. Plus, Carlos, if I'm right, there's something much bigger out there. Bigger than us. You'll see.
Okay. To finding El Dorado.
Salud.
Salud. That church is a national treasure. It's guarded 24 hours a day. You want to take something out of there, you will get caught.
Follow my name. And may the city of gold find you.
¿Qué es este aquí? ¡Pare!
Time to go.
¡Pare! ¡Ladrón! ¡Policía! ¡Policía!
¡Aguantate! ¡Páralo, páralo, páralo! ¡Quédate ahí ahora! ¡Ven para acá! ¡Vámonos, señora, vámonos! ¡Atendelo!
La inventaria está completa.
No se llevó nada. Yo lo vi solamente cavando un hueco.
Se robó lo que estaba adentro. Esta persona no es un ladrón, es un buscatesoro. ¿Alguien lo vio?
Yo lo vi claramente. Era un hombre de unos 20 y tantos años, alto, pelo castaño, americano por el acento. Todo lo que le puedo decir.
Gracias, padre. Lo vamos a buscar.
It's amazing, Carlos. Just like the image in the diary.
Where can I see it? I have the perfect buyer, that deepest pockets you have ever seen.
Carlos, we went through this.
Do you really want to join that list of names who searched for El Dorado and failed?
Where's this coming from?
Pragmatism and a strong respect for the dollar. Look, we have it in our hands now. Or, more importantly, you have it in your hands. And I want it in mine.
Right, let's talk when I get back.
Okay, fair enough. Go with God, Jack. You may need his help.
Yeah. That's it.
Senor Torres,
Yes? How can I help you?
we spoke earlier. The deal, the amulet and diary. Mr. Grisham, you said you'd have them here today?
Yes. Well, my client has them.
What client?
I could try to reach him, but I think he's heading out of town.
You see, my client believed they would have those items today.
Well, I'm sorry, but they are no longer for sale. I've changed my mind.
Excuse me, you've changed your mind? We have a deal, Senor Torres. 2 million, I believe?
No, it's not about the price.
Well, actually, it kind of is.
We did not have a deal. I never accepted your offer. I told you I have to speak with my client first, and he refuses to sell. I'm sorry. Look, give me a couple of days, okay? Jack will come back, and maybe I can talk to him.
1 second, who's Jack?
Jack Wilder.
You know him?
I know him. As treasure hunters go, he's one of the best.
Okay. So maybe you could call him, ask him to bring him here today?
He doesn't have a cell phone.
Yeah. Don't be stupid, huh? Look at that. Jack Wilder. And it's ringing.
Hey, it's Jack Wilder. Not here. Leave a message.
You lied to me. Stupid. Okay, let's go. So I guess we can find Jack Wilder without your help, huh?
Even if you find him, Jack is not the type of man to give in to threats.
Excuse me?
So consider that a warning.
You really are stupid, aren't you? Track him down.
Carlos, give it a rest. This ain't my first rodeo, guys. Machu Picchu.
Friend Carlos, he gave me his phone. You know how much easier it made finding you?
I gotta get new friends.
I liked him. Technology, you gotta love it, huh?
What did you do to him?
Yeah, you gotta do what you're paid to do.
No. Yeah, it's Smooth move. Pre-Columbian artifact. Never been seen before. And your boneheads destroyed it. Guess that'll remain a mystery.
Well, I guess you can just tell us what it said.
I'm good, but I'm not that good.
Really?
Really.
Okay. Kill him. Get the bag. Hey.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, look. Look. If you want it, you can just take it.
Hey, keep your hands where they are.
Fine.
I need more time here.
Well, that thing's not gonna be around much longer, so let's make it fast. Go back.
Okay. We blow this place, we find him.
Crazy bastard. Perfect.
Mr. Jack Wilder, I am El General Luis Mata, Comandante here of this region. What are you up to?
Sightseeing. Enjoying your beautiful country.
You gonna get clever with me? We know that you wrecked one of our towns yesterday, and today you were seeing a parachuting from a cave in the mountains. We also know that you killed Carlos Torres for whatever was inside that cave.
I didn't kill anyone. Carlos was my friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Let me explain something to you. You're in very serious trouble. If you don't start cooperating with this investigation, you're gonna spend the rest of your life in a Peruvian jail, however short that life might be.
You got the wrong guy. Okay, there were others in that cave. You should be talking to them.
No. There were no others. It was only you up there. Only you who conspired to steal priceless artifacts from my country, along with Carlos Torres, who is now dead.
Okay. What do you want from me?
I want to know what you found in that cave.
I want to speak to the American consul.
What you want is of no concern to me. This is my prison, my rules. I know this is a very important decision that you have to make, so I'm going to give you some time to think about it. If you decide not to cooperate, I'll come again and ask you next year, or maybe the next. But sooner or later, I'm going to get the truth out of you. Capitán?
General.
Sí, lo tenemos aquí. No se preocupe, está en buenas manos. No, todavía no he empezado a cooperar, pero... Bueno, está bien.
Hey, you. Come with me.
Please, sit.
I am Ricardo de la Rosa, the director of the Institute for Mesoamerican Research. You know my colleague. Señorita Martinez?
Hello, Jack.
Life's treating you well, I see.
What happened to you? You were never a criminal. Just an opportunist.
We all have our talents.
Look, I think we can get you out of here, but you have to work with us.
Well, you still care.
The cave you blew up is protected under federal law. You'll never get out of here, Jack. Not without our help. What were you looking for?
You want to know? Why don't you put on a pack, grab a line, and climb? But I'm sorry, you can't do that because you don't do field work anymore. It's too reckless. Reckless, that's what you said, right?
Jack, this isn't a game. You're in military hands now. Tell us what happened, and we'll get you out of here.
All right. Fine. I went to the cave. I started snooping around, and suddenly these, I don't know, mercs showed up. They were taking orders from this ex-military type. I think he's good for killing Carlos. He's the one who blew up the cave, and he is the guy you should be talking to.
Assuming this is all true, what is everybody looking for?
Life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. I don't know, can we go now?
Ha sido un error.
Have it your way, Jack.
El Dorado.
El Dorado.
I have new evidence. You get me out of here, and I can prove it to you.
He's in our custody now. We're gonna need his belongings.
I can also get these fancy documents. This is not over, señorita.
I took these before the attack.
Wow.
Incredible.
As you know, the Inca worshipped three creatures. The serpent is the guardian of the underworld. The puma stands for man on earth, and the condor represents the afterlife. Now I saw an image of a serpent in the cave. And here, in the center of the calendar, is the face of a puma.
What does that have to do with El Dorado?
The Quechua prophecy.
When the condor and the puma are reunited, the earth will awaken.
And the empire will be whole again.
Continue.
Yes. Well, legend has it that there were 7 cities of gold. And then the emperor gets a little paranoid. I don't know, an invasion, a natural disaster, something. So he gets all of the gold and he puts it into one secret place. El Dorado.
You are quite the scholar of Inca culture.
He's obsessed with it.
Now, if you take a look at this calendar, it's a date. And as far as I can tell, it says December 21st, 2012.
When the Maya predicted the end of the world.
Exactly. See, I believe that the City of Gold is directly connected to the 2012 prophecy. Now, if I can get my hands on the actual calendar, I could tell you more.
Where may that be?
The Temple of the Sun. It's the one spot that the Inca believe is directly linked to the cosmos. Most enlightened place on Earth for man.
The puma.
Very good.
We'll arrange an expedition immediately.
Great. When do we head out?
Who said you're gonna come?
No, wait. Just 1 second. Valverde's diary. Take it as collateral. Look, they killed Carlos. And they almost took my life. You guys have to let me do this.
Tiene razón. Necesitamos ayuda. I will allow you to join us.
Thanks.
Senor? Ah, thank you. The information you requested.
That's him. That's the guy who killed Carlos and destroyed the cave.
Colonel Sam Grissom, discharged from the British SAS for war crimes, formed his own freelance security unit and is now selling his services to the highest bidder.
Well, do we have any idea who's controlling the purse strings?
We're working on it.
We better find the calendar before he does.
Where is he, Jim?
He's at the Institute. If they drop him off, we'll pick him up and make him disappear.
Well, that's a sweet story, but the second that man gets out, there's nothing simple about it, General.
Nothing in my life has ever been simple, Colonel.
Join the club.
Yeah, I'm beginning to get a little bit curious about why all this expense and trouble just to find one man?
Look, it's just a simple joke. My employees, he has an artifact of theirs. They want it back. That's it.
An artifact? Must be some kind of artifact.
Nothing special, General. You're gonna get paid either way. Salute. Salute.
You know, this could get very dicey. I'm not very comfortable with you tagging along.
You're tagging along, remember that. Just think of me as Ricardo's eyes and ears. I'm trusting you, Jack.
What's up, Mamacita?
Gordon, Jack Wilder. Jack's gonna be accompanying us.
Save it. The director filled me in. Maria, do you always touch things that aren't yours?
I'm sorry, it's your baby.
That's right. Ixtab is my baby. Named her after the Mayan goddess of suicide. Badass, huh? Developed her for the pyramids in Palenque. Now we use her for the ruins here in Peru. Ixtab's a muon-based magnetic resonance scanner for geological formations. Press her buttons, out comes a massive blast of energy, then she uses high-speed data sorting to create a visual map. Basically, Ixtab's a mini MRI on steroids.
Sounds handy.
It's waterproof, too.
Nice. Hell?
What is that? Wait, who is that? Why are they shooting at us?
Money's on Grissom.
What the hell is a Grissom? Ricardo said he needed my scanner to look under a pyramid. He didn't say anything about flying into a war zone!
Gordon, help me out here!
No, I don't want to get dead guy on me!
Everybody's gonna be dead if you don't help me out!
I'm gonna throw up!
What are you doing? There's trees down there.
No, and there are bullets up here, okay? We'll use the trees for cover. You can't shoot what you can't see.
No, I gotta agree with Marie on this one. I'm not a pilot, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to fly away from the trees.
What?
ARS.
Jack, they're closing in.
and slow down.
What?
Maria, I need you to tell me when they are right on our tail. Right on it. You got that?
Okay.
Oh my God! Trees, trees, trees! We're gonna hit! We're gonna hit! We're gonna hit!
Hold on, ladies. Is everybody okay?
Still alive.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
All right, slide down. Just careful. Calm down.
Gordon, get off!
Well, that was close.
Dude, I'm alive! I'm alive! Yes! I'm indestructible!
There you are.
You are good at what you do!
Okay. All right, well, calm down, cowboy. Don't get all squished.
I don't understand. Why are they trying to kill us before we even get there?
Oh, you're right. It doesn't make any sense. We're not even close to the Temple of the Sun.
Does he think that he can find the calendar on his own?
Grissom kills me. It is a huge risk. Right? If he can't crack the calendar, he won't find the gold.
Dude, this is not cool, you guys! Seriously, I didn't sign up for this!
I know, Gordo. I know. Let's, go see what survived the plane crash, okay?
We lost the chopper, sir. It went down in pursuit.
What?
How is that even possible? That was a simple run against an unarmed Cessna.
All we know is that they're not on screen anymore, and we're dead on radio.
Okay, scramble Delta. I want to get on that scene.
If you didn't blow up that cave, I probably could have told you where they're headed. We could be there waiting for them.
You know, you want to be really careful how you speak to me, okay? Make yourself useful. Find something.
So Ixtab is okay. What about the phones? Can we make a call for pickup?
No service.
Sweet, the GPS is up and running.
Good. 'Cause we gotta move out.
Wait, what? No, we're gonna make camp here and sit tight and wait for backup. That way they can find us.
Yeah, well, right into Grissom's hands. Those guys are tracking us as we speak. Their ETA is minutes away, not hours away. How far is the site?
About 50 miles, give or take.
In this jungle? Take about 3 days. Let's get a move on.
Come on, Ixtab. It's okay, girl. Everything's gonna be all right. Daddy's got you.
understand you, Jack.
Join the club.
This is what you left me for?
Hey, you sent me packing, remember?
You chose to go.
Don't rewrite history.
All I wanted was for you not to disappear for months at a time. I never knew when you were coming back home, or you were.
That's my job. I'm an archaeologist. I'm not some armchair stone.
Keep telling yourself that if it makes you feel better. Bottom line, you're a treasure hunter with an advanced degree.
Yet, the items that I find, where do they usually end up? Museums. Understand the past, respect the future. Oh, let's not forget about the tickets and the tours and the class trips and ultimately fund institutes like IMAR.
Are you kidding? That's about 1/5 of what you do. The rest of the time, you're just hawking precious historical pieces to the first crooked millionaire that flashes a wad of money in your face.
Mom, Dad, get a divorce or get a room. Either way, you guys shutting up would really rock my world.
Approaching the crush site. Copy that. Take it now.
Okay, look. We got another hour of daylight. Let's not waste it.
Speak for yourself, Gladiator. I speak for those who need food, clean socks, and sleep.
Yeah, I agree with Gordon. We'll make much better time if we're all rested in the morning.
All right. Okay. But we're out of here at first light.
On the pilot's body. Let's find out the others.
Who are they?
Locals. They were digging through the wreckage.
Let's go find out. Hey, senor. Did you see anything?
No, habla inglés. No.
Ask him.
¿Has visto algo?
Nada.
¿No has visto nada?
Nada.
¡Habla, huevón! ¿Qué viste?
No he visto nada. No he visto nada.
Senor, over here.
Ven. Ask him again. ¿Has visto algo tú?
So that's better, huh?
Vamos, guíanos.
Banner, this way, let him know.
Kick-ass mushrooms, Maria. Oh, I gotta tell you, I don't know many chicks that can put up a day like today. A high-speed, mid-air ambush, surviving a plane crash, then taking the time to prep and season a delicious meal like this. If you were mine, I'd never let you go. What?
You know, we should have stayed by the wreckage. They probably think we're dead.
If we stayed at the wreckage, we would be dead.
Good night.
Grissom's on our trail. I know it. So, let's just get some sleep. A couple of days, we'll find a village, call Ricardo, and let him know where we are.
Oh my God, what was that?
Relax. The jungle makes a lot of sounds, so get used to it.
Tell me you didn't hear that.
Gordon, go to sleep. You know, finding El Dorado is all you ever cared about. All you ever talked about.
That's ironic, isn't it? El Dorado pushed us away. and now it's brought us back together.
Don't kid yourself. We're not back together. You haven't changed one bit. You're still pursuing your goals for yourself, just like before. You were more into business with that crook, Lupe, than you were into us. I told you 100 times to stay away from her.
I should have listened to you about Lupe. We parted ways.
You know, Jack, in your own convoluted way, I think you just admitted I was right.
Yeah. Don't break your arm patting yourself on the back, okay?
Oh my God, what was that? Move. Come on, faster.
Wait.
What? What?
Move.
Why are we running? Just keep moving. Go! We're going the wrong way! Go!
Whoa.
I see red people.
It can't be far. 3-4 hours. They found food, but they're gonna need more. Want to get out of this place alive. Let's move.
Move! Vamos!
Did you see that?
What?
The shaman's medallion. It's a calendar.
Do you understand what he's saying?
No, it's not regular Quechua. It's something ancient.
she doing?
Consulting the gods.
Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. No, uh-oh. It was bad. Oh, it was fake.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey.
Hang on! How much light? Patience!
What's going on?
Not sure.
Hold!
Jack? Let go of me.
Kichai! Kichai!
What the hell is this Kiche thing?
I think ultimate fighting. Last man standing, you know, all that good stuff. I knew they'd go nuts for that.
It's when you face the greatest warrior and fight to the death.
You better kick his ass, Jack. Okay.
No more trucks, Colonel.
They seem to disappear.
Disappear, huh? Right. Either that or somebody covered up their tracks. Spread out. They're around here somewhere. General.
Yes, have you found them?
Not yet.
Keep going.
Guys? Do you hear that? I think these rapids lead to the falls.
Oh boy. We have to jump. Leave everything you don't need on the canoe. We'll let the canoe go over. He thinks we didn't make it. Stay with me. Stay with me. Hey. I thought I lost you.
Hey! That was a hell of a shower!
Hopefully they find some of our stuff and look for tracks. I'll keep them busy for a while.
Where to?
Downhill. There's gotta be a village somewhere.
I love that bag.
Soldado, la maleta!
I don't buy it.
Sir, they found tracks at the top. They must have jumped down before going over.
Of course they did. General, Gresham.
Look, I'm gonna need more time. He's still ahead of us. Enough alone.
We're gonna head further downriver, further south.
I'll meet you with my men in El Raton.
Roger that. Out. You know, this whole thing should have just been like a normal job. We get in, we get it done, we get out. But this guy, Wilder, I want to find him. I want to put him down for good. All right, let's go! Vamos!
Civilization! Finally!
Okay, so my cell phone was in my backpack. What's your plan?
Get to the temple before Grissom. Nothing's changed.
How do we know he's not gonna be there?
He doesn't know where to look.
So basically, they're following us and we're leading them right to it. Why don't we just go back to the nearest city and just contact Ricardo?
2 reasons. First, our lives are in danger no matter where we go. Contacting Ricardo is just gonna make it easier for Grissom to find us. And second, I want my hands on that calendar first, just in case Grissom's able to figure out where it might be.
Great, so we're stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Yep. Let's get a ride.
Get some food? Can we get food? And a beer.
Horses. Perfect. Señor!
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Buenos días, señorita. ¿Qué desea usted?
Caballos.
¿Cuántas?
¿Tienen 3?
¿Se las preparo?
Sí, por favor. We need to pay him.
Excuse me? Relax, Jack. I got this one, big guy. You got change for 100?
No.
General.
Did you enjoy our jungle, Colonel?
Oh, yeah. It could have been easier.
I know where they're headed.
Really? Where?
Temple of the Sun. Finally develop a source in the ministry.
There is no city, bro.
A city? A city of what? What are you gonna say, Professor? Huh? A city of gold? Is this what this is about? Thought you said you were only looking for an artifact.
Okay, look, you want to know every detail, every business dealing I have?
No, but there's a big difference between an artifact and a city full of gold.
We don't even know if there's any gold.
I think this calls for a renegotiation, Colonel. 50-50.
50-50?
Yes, I think that's fair. Half of whatever comes out of that city is mine. Or would you rather I go do business with Jack Wilder?
You and Jack.
Yes. And if you try to interfere, we'll hunt you down.
We done?
Yes, we are. You and I were military men, Colonel.
Yes, we are.
You know that your hand has been played and your cards have been revealed. So what do you say? 50-50? Partners.
Okay, look. You get your 50% and your gold. But this guy, Jack Wilder, he's pissed me off.
I'll help you find him.
What a deal, General.
Okay, Gordo. You're up. Getting around that baby for 2 days now. It's showtime. How long is it gonna take to scan, anyway?
5-10 minutes max.
Make it 5. On borrowed time.
Can I help you?
Are you getting anything at all?
About 20 feet in, give or take. Come on, X-Tab. Talk dirty to me, baby.
You guys ready to party?
Yeah, just do it.
It's pretty sweet. It looks like there's 4 levels underground. Now, can you upload all of this?
Yep. Looks like the inch is about here.
Okay. Let's just take a look-see, huh? It's supposed to be here, but, guys, come here. Hey, Gordo. I think that this is some kind of lock. Here, grab a rock and help me out with this. Around, right there. Start carving.
How do you know it's a lock and not a trap?
I don't.
Awesome.
The Inca worshipped 3 creatures. The serpent is the guardian of the underworld. The puma stands for man on earth. And the condor represents the afterlife.
This looks like a condor.
No, that's not it. Snake, condor, puma. Feels good, doesn't it? Let's go.
Fabio may secure the perimeter. We'll handle the extraction.
Just as long as we're clear. It's a historical site, Colonel, so no more destruction.
Yeah. Take care of your business. I'll take care of mine.
Carlos.
Okay, we set the C4. We seal this place forever.
Pedro, vamos! Hey, this is sacrilege! There's no need to destroy every piece of... At least allow me to do some documentation, please.
Stay away from me.
No! Oh!
Stay there.
It's too important.
Is that
Gold.
holy?
Holy is right. God. We're inside. Let's move.
Doesn't anything slow these guys down?
Hey, one right here.
Once, just once, if we can find an unlocked door.
Jack, we're sitting ducks here.
Keep it down.
Wait a minute.
Dude, you're like MacGyver without the mullet. Jackpot, dude! We just hit the mother load!
Yes, we did. Don't touch anything, okay?
These are offerings.
Yeah, that's right. This place is sacred. The gods frown on people touching their things, okay?
Hey, check this out.
So that's what they were afraid of. It wasn't a Spanish invasion, it was something worse. I think they thought the world was gonna be destroyed.
So where would they put El Dorado?
El Dorado? Is that what we've been looking for?
Guys.
Thought you said not to touch anything.
I can touch things, not you.
Uno más.
I think I'm getting there. All right. I think I got something here. Now, the Inca didn't have a formal alphabet, but these symbols definitely say something. To enter the city of gold, one must have 200 keys.
200 keys?
Great.
Hey.
You know, you blow this place up like you did the last place, you're never gonna find any gold.
You think we've been tracking you for the gold? I don't know, maybe there's some reward in this for you? Some kind of glory? But I don't want the gold. But I don't want anyone having the gold.
Who would want that?
Seriously, dick move. Wants to make gold harder to find.
What kind of dumbass would say something like that with all these guns pointed at his head?
Midas. Man sitting on the mountain of it. You open El Dorado, it floods the markets.
You've been trying to find this gold for centuries, Jack. People have been trying to hide it too. What do you think? What do you think all of this is going to be worth? What do you think it's going to be worth when you find a whole city of it?
Who in the hell are you working for?
Someone who doesn't want to lose.
¡Maldito gringo! ¡Vámonos!
Are you okay? You sure? You bleeding? Alive. I'm alive. I told you. I told you it'd be okay, right?
Oh, for the love of God, man! I'm standing right here! I can't see man on you guys! Oh my God, that was insane! Can we get out of here, please?
All right, let's get out of here. Jesus.
Are you done?
No. They're on the move, but we're tracking them.
You came highly recommended to us, Colonel, and you can't stop this one man?
Look, every link he discovered to El Dorado, I've destroyed. That's why I'm here. Look, you want your interests protected out here? I'm gonna need more manpower and global surveillance. And now, you made the right choice hiring me. Make the right choice now. I'll get it done.
You heard him. Give him everything he needs. Just finish it.